So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get Life360 on your PC. So starting off, you'll need to get an emulator. Now what that means is that you'll need to use something like BlueStacks or LD Player, something similar that's going to emulate you having the Google Play Store or your something similar to your App Store if you're using an iPhone device on your PC. So through there, you can see BlueStacks, play games on PC and Mac, Android emulator. So it doesn't have to be BlueStacks, but I'm just using it as an example. You can use some other emulators if you feel more comfortable within those. So on here, if you open up bluestacks.com, the best way would be to find Life360 if it's already compatible. So if you search for it, so if it's not appearing on there, you should look for some other ways to access it. So if you go to Life360 for PC, you may be able to even download it right now, but what I really doubt is that it's going to give you that option. So it says get it on Google Play. So the way to do that would be to go to that emulator as I mentioned, and you can use even the emulators on here that are going to give you the best results. So if it's not working on this one, it could work on the next one. And you can just search for that specific app. As you can see right now on LD Player, it's available. So I suggest using LD Player. So if it's not available right now on here, you can use some other emulator as well. So just choose to download that and then you can use it on your PC. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share a video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Life360 or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.